I like Mozart.
Oh?
That said, if I'm being honest, I prefer Depeche Mode.
Really? Why is that?
I know one is considered the greatest composer in the history of Western civilization. The other is a synth pop band from the 80s. But I find their balance of technological exploration and pop hooks combined with...
What's wrong?
I can't put my love of Depeche Mode into words. It's just,
What?
a feeling.
Very good. Very good, man.
Smile.